My video tutorial will provide you with the instructions to get rid of the new ransomware. I prefer not to say this word, but anyway, it is called like that. Before the ransomware's attack, people are able to open their files without any complications. Unfortunately, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities, this ransomware may be very easily injected into the computer. So it actually encrypts files and damages the files. You can now see the way the ransomware is titled. Anyway, it is impossible to open the files. The ransomware then tells the victims to enter a special unlock key. Well, what we could do is try to open the task manager, for example, and then we can actually attempt to close this page, to close the pop-up window. Well, I have actually come up with a partial solution, I guess. When this ransomware attacks, you need to sign out and then sign in again. The ransomware appends this extension called encrypted, but after you sign out, that pop-up message doesn't prevent you from accessing your desktop anyway. So you need to sign out and then sign in again. But the trouble is that the files are indeed encrypted and damaged. So the ransomware tells you to pay a special ransom for file restoration. Of course, paying the ransom is not a good idea. What I recommend you to do is to scan your computer with Combo Cleaner. Go to the page combocleaner.com, download it, install the software, and start investigating your computer with its help. After you start Combo Cleaner, the application will most likely first of all update its anti-malware database, which is truly essential for proper detection and removal of all possible threats that could be on your computer. Pay attention to the fact that Combo Cleaner is available for all popular operating systems: Mac, Windows, Android, and iOS. So after you click on the Start Scan button, the antivirus database will be updated first of all, and then the scanning will begin. The scanning duration depends on various factors. It may depend on how many hard drives are available. It may depend on the system parameters of your computer. Finally, at the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the infections which were found on your system. Based on the summary of threats, you'll be able to know the information about the locations of threats. Some threats can be removed manually, but definitely I recommend you to consider upgrading to the premium license. With premium license, for instance, there is an excellent anti-ransomware feature which helps to always keep your data protected. You can add certain folders on your system, and the contents of these folders will be always under the protection against ransomware attacks. And Combo Cleaner works extremely and exceptionally well when it comes to identifying contemporary threats like adware, ransomware, all sorts of annoying pop-ups. Combo Cleaner fixes browser redirection issues, and definitely what is exceptionally valuable, Combo Cleaner is able to protect your data, all your cherished and valuable information that you store on your hard drive. So use Combo Cleaner for cleaning your system and for protecting your system against all types of malware.